Alrighty guys, how we doing? Long time no see. I'll be doing some creek fishing today with my brother Justin. He's out there in the background. And yeah, haven't been posting a whole lot lately. Still been fishing, just taking it easy on the videos. Takes a lot out of me to edit these videos, and sometimes you just want to enjoy fishing and not worry about having to edit and make an intro and, you know, all that stuff. So anyway, we're gonna be doing some creek fishing and throwing a bull shad. So we'll see how this goes. I'm already seeing some bass, and should be a pretty good day. Ooh, dude. I got smashed. Dude, that water's pretty cold. I haven't been in the creek this year. This is the first time I've waded. I'm seeing some fish, but ain't nothing even looking like it wants to bite. Had to pull my pants up too. These are about to get wet. Alright, I'm gonna play with this bedfish for like 2 more seconds and then we can go to another spot, because there ain't nothing. These fish are spawning and oh shoot, dude, there's a largemouth. He just smoked this freaking jig. Hold on. There he is. Come here, buddy. Hit that thing again. There he is. Ah, look at that. Nice. A little largemouth. I'm sitting over here playing with these small... Oh, sorry, bud. I'm sitting over here playing with these bedding smallmouth, and I didn't even see the largemouth that just came up and hit the jig. All right, time to continue our creek fishing mission. So far, I've caught 1 little largemouth, and we gotta change that. We have to change that very soon. There we go. Good fish. I think it's a rock bass. All right, buddy. There we go. I can't tell if that's a smallmouth or a... Yeah, a little smallmouth. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Alright. Little guy. Over there on that other side. See if we can find another one over there. Hopefully a little bit bigger. Oh, you got a little smallmouth. Oh, heck yeah. Nice, dude. That's a nice fish. Hey, he's a little bloody, but he took off. Oh, dude. He was pulling so weird. I think he was hung on something. A little largemouth. Oh, dude, look how fat he is. Dang. He's like stuffed full. That's funny. He's a little chunker, dude. What are you eating, sir? The way he hit it was weird. Beautiful little largemouth. Starting to get into some fish. Oh. Nice. Another little smallmouth. Come here, little guy. Come here, buddy. That's pretty. Nice little fish. Hey, buddy. Oh, dude, I see that big largemouth. Oh, there's a couple largemouth over here. Oh, yep. Got him. Oh, that's a freaking good largemouth, dude. Yes. That was so sick. That was so sick. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. He's getting me. Dude, this is a big largemouth, Justin. Oh my gosh. For the creek. Oh, buddy, come here. I'll let you back. I'll let you back. Oh, boy. Look at that. Dude, look at that. Holy crap. That's a big fish. Holy crap, dude. On the old micro jig. Look at that, man. That is freaking awesome. All right, guys. It's a good fish right there. It's mid-May, and I can't tell if these fish are spawning or if they're defending beds, but there he goes. A couple more largemouth right there with him. That was a good fish, though. But yeah, it's just kind of weird today. It looks like some of these fish could be spawning. I'm not really sure. I'm not seeing actual spawning activity going on, but they are grouped up and they're kind of in areas that they would bed in probably. So pretty cool. We're starting to get in some fish. We're down here in this deep hole, and yeah, just now starting to catch some fish. So pretty exciting. And then there's this whole freaking pond area over here. Yeah. And I've caught some decent fish out of there too, but another little largemouth. Dude, this is where all the largemouth are. Just a little guy. Just a little guy. Figured there might be a decent one over here in this little shallow area, but oh man, dude. I was hung. And I was trying to get it unhung, and then this rock bass just bit it. That is so funny. He's tiny too. All right, bud. Another rock bass. Good bite. Alrighty, there we go.
only, dude. We got all missile bait.
Dude, these are actually, it's called a drop crawl. I just use it as the trailer on these. Sorry. Just standing in the middle of the creek.
And then I was like, she walked off, dude. And then right after that, dude, I bend around the corner, dude, and there's a coyote looking at me.
Alrighty, guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. Thank y'all for watching. Obviously, we did some creek fishing and had a blast fishing out there with my little brother and my buddy Julian. All the fish I caught were on the micro jig. I had a couple fish come up and smoke the bull shad, but didn't actually end up hooking up on them. So all the fish were caught on the micro jig though, and had a blast out there. That creek doesn't produce quite like it used to. Me and John have fished that creek a couple times in past videos, but that was the first time I've been out there this spring, summer, whatever you want to consider this time of year. And yeah, had some fun. So I'll be fishing it a little bit more this summer, but definitely stay tuned for the striper content. That will be the majority of what I post about this summer. So thank y'all for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos, and yeah, that's it.